Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your profile theme on Steam. Now let us begin. Well, do you know that this right here is the interface for Steam? Initially, what you guys have to do is simply focus on the top right. That is your Steam username. Simply click on it and these things will open up. From here, all you guys need to do is focus on this thing called as View My Profile. Click on it, and as such, you will be redirected to your profile page. Do you know that there are lots of options that you can look around from? But right now, all we want to do is click on this button called as Edit Profile. Click on it. Now from here, you can do whatever you wish. Change your profile name, real name, add a custom URL and everything. But right now, let's simply focus on the theme. Now from here on the left hand side, just below mini profile, you will see a button like this called as theme. Click on it and as such, select the theme of your choice. Do note that there are only 5 choices. I'm gonna select this one right now and it's okay with me, so I'm just gonna hit on save. That is it guys, that's how you save your profile theme on Steam. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.